How to enable or disable PHP extensions using the CloudLinux Selector in DirectAdmin. We assume you have already logged into your DirectAdmin account. Scroll down. Now click Select PHP Version icon. Here are the PHP extensions. The extensions with checked boxes are enabled and those with unchecked boxes are disabled. To enable a particular extension, click to check the box. To disable an extension, click to uncheck the box. It shows a success message. If you see a warning message related to the PHP native version instead of modules, change the PHP version to the non-native version from here. Now you know how to enable or disable PHP extensions. Thank you for watching.